December 31st, Warren Buffett will retire from Berkshire Hathaway, closing the final chapter of a 6-decade run that quietly reshaped global capitalism. There will be no dramatic exit, no last trade, no ceremonial farewell beyond a brief filing and a familiar letter. So who is Warren Buffett? The wizard of investing, Warren Buffett is an American businessman, investor and philanthropist who was born on August 30, 1930 in Omaha, Nebraska. He studied at the Wharton School before graduating from the University of Nebraska and earning a master's from Columbia University. Influenced by Benjamin Graham, Buffett developed his value investing philosophy of buying undervalued companies. At age of 11, Buffett made his first stock purchase, that was shares of Citi Service Preferred at $38 per share. After the stock plunged and then rose to $40, he quickly sold his holdings, only to later see it surge. That taught him a big lesson that it's not a good idea to try to guess when to buy a stock and when to unload it. In 1962, Buffett started investing in Berkshire Hathaway, a troubled textile manufacturing company in New Bedford, Massachusetts, in what he would later call his dumbest stock purchase ever. He took control of Berkshire in 1965 and fought the failing textile business for 20 years before finally giving up. Under his leadership, Berkshire owns stakes in major companies like Apple, Coca-Cola and Geico. As of late 2025, his net worth exceeds $150 billion, making him one of the world's richest people. Despite his wealth, he lives frugally in the same Omaha house he bought in 1958. He is a major philanthropist, co-founding the Giving Pledge with Bill Gates in 2010. He has pledged to donate over 99% of his fortune primarily to the Gates Foundation and family charities. Once a year at Berkshire Hathaway's shareholder meeting, many used to gather in Omaha for a 5-hour marathon question and answer session with Buffett and his partner, late Charlie Munger. They used to cover a wide array of topics with a focus on what they look for when to invest and how they have built Berkshire into a $485 billion giant. In 2025, at age 95, he announced his retirement as CEO at the end of the year, with Greg Abel as successor. He will remain chairman of Berkshire Hathaway after stepping down from the CEO role.